Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate cars in Grand Theft Auto 5. You will need a mobile operations center, a spacious apartment with a 10-car garage, and at least one friend to assist you. Prepare your desired vehicle, ensuring it is fully upgraded to maximize your profits later. This process requires precise timing and coordination, so pay close attention to every instruction we provide. We will go over the setup and execution thoroughly. To begin, ensure you possess a mobile operations center, specifically with the personal vehicle storage upgrade in its third bay. This storage is absolutely vital for the duplication to occur. You also need an apartment that includes a 10-car garage for storing your new vehicles. Finally, having a trusted friend is essential. Their role involves precise timing that cannot be done solo. They will help manage the crucial invitation sequence. First, drive the vehicle you intend to duplicate directly into the personal vehicle storage of your mobile operations center. Your friend should then position their character inside your apartment garage, standing by to receive an invitation. Next, drive any random, inexpensive street car into your apartment garage. This particular step is critical as it sets up the game's internal vehicle management system for the glitch. Ensure all these initial placements are perfect before proceeding. With the random car parked in your apartment garage, exit your MOC and then quickly re-enter it. As soon as you are inside the mobile operations center, your friend must send you an immediate invitation to their CEO or motorcycle club garage. Accept this invitation without delay. You should experience a brief black screen. Then, you will typically respawn inside the mobile operations center with the duplicated vehicle now present. This synchronization is the core of the trick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.